Amar, what are your key takeaways which people can take from this session?
I would say into the takeaways, right? One is don't fall for the hype and don't just run to do something for anything to be successful. And we have seen a lot of these potential magic bullets in the career, right? So I mean, even like I started my career with the magic bullet of the silver bullet of bioinformatics and genomics, where we thought that once we sequence the entire genome, we will be creating these drugs right and left, and will cure all the diseases. That was 25 years ago, right? And that's yes, it was it improvement? If, of course, there was a lot of improvement, but didn't solve all the problems. Same thing here, right? Let's have the right expectations. Is it going to change the way we work? Yes, it is. But is it going to just solve all the world's problems? It's not going to, right? So given that, what is very important to me is always keeping the business at the focus. We're in the pharma industry, and then whether you're working in research or development, commercial, medical, it doesn't matter. Manufacturing, it doesn't really matter. Think about what is the scientific question or business question that you're trying to solve, and then think about how do you like you can use Gen AI or AI for that. So start with the problem and then try to find a solution rather than the other way around. And even in that, you have to think about what is feasible versus not, right? So one is you're coming from the problem point of view, right? And people have a good sense of what problems are the difficult ones to solve, or like if you solve this problem where there's a bigger impact versus not. The business people usually have a good idea about that. The feasibility, they don't really have a very good idea about it. The business people usually are clueless about that. This is where the tech people need to do a very good job about what is really feasible and what is not.